Calculate the dose of a drug to be given if a patient weighing 63 kilos is prescribed a dose of 0.4 milligrams per kilo per hour. So it's 0.4 milligrams for each kilo, so we have to multiply 0.4 by 63. Right? 3 fours is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. 3 zeros is 0, and 1 is 1. Now ignore the decimal point till the end. Put down a 0 now. 6 fours is 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. 6 zeros is 0, and 2 is 2. Add them up, we get a 2, 5, and a 2. We have one decimal place here, so we come in 1, and we get 25.2 milligrams per hour. And that's the dose to be given to this particular patient, 25 milligrams per hour.